outside.
What's going on, y'all? It's Reese, man. We're back with another video. So today, just got a little vlog day going on. Nothing too much really, but got some meaty boys in this joint. You feel me? In the car. We got the meaty boys in the car with us. About to actually go sell some parts real quick. And then get these bad boys put on. I'm tired of feeling like I'm driving on ice. It's basically what that feel like. I'm on wires on the right side. I know I need an alignment. So, but anyways, man, how's y'all day going? Y'all haven't already subscribed, like, comment. If you returning, welcome back. I'm glad you arrived safe. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I try to give everybody here that enjoys my content the best visual presence possible. So you feel like I'm doing that, just that, like, comment, subscribe. Trust when I tell you, it's greatly appreciated, man. But while we on the way to the store, I just thought I'd share with y'all. So I'm watching my subscriber count grow, and I gotta say thank you. Like, I remember my first 10 subscribers. I can still name every 10 on my hand. Crazy story, but if that doesn't tell y'all how grateful I am just for how far I've come, y'all support, you know, I don't know what to say, man. Like, but we gonna hit y'all in a little bit. I just wanted to say that because I think that is definitely mattered and needed to be said. I wanted to wait till I got to 1,000, but I don't really feel like it's right to, you know, hold appreciation out or hold out, you know, on a person or people for your own goal, you know. So I definitely just wanted to tell you I do appreciate that. But when we get a little further to where we're going to cut this camera for right now. I'm gonna pick it back up a little later, let it charge up. I forgot my actual camera, so I'm using my phone today. So if it ain't one thing, it's another. Car's like a freaking tire rack in here now. But I'll hit you on a little bit. We back. So we just sold the cams and whatnot. We actually about to go get these tires mounted on now. So y'all need a tire plug, man, hit me. I got them. We got them. So you would think it's a sponsor how they hooked me up, but it's not. I've been shopping with them for years though. Anyways, man, I can't catch a good day up here, bro. Every day it's like bad weather, good weather, it's raining, it's snowing. It's a crazy city, man. Crazy city, man. What? Why did our car sound the exact same? Whoa, that's crazy. He's cool as shit. He's with it. Every VQ here imaginable. Well, some Z's here imaginable. But we finally got down here to York. It's been alright. You know, a couple years ago, there was actually a big accident that happened, I think, further down that Z. I think that happened further down that way. Oh, shit! Yeah, no, it's crazy. It did about 11K, but two bikes that came on each other. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, okay.
Just put a little dragon's breath on so that when it gets hot.
Pedazzle, we call it.
That's what
Well, shoot. I guess, yeah, y'all stay tuned for that, man. I'm loving what I see down here. It's Z family. Army fellow B60s.
The company that they had that from specializes.
So we're just seeing if this guy's here.
So yeah, you might.
So yeah, you'll hold down the cancel button.
Hold cancel.
No tune. You're bone stock.
Yeah,
Oh, you're nice. You're bone stock.
Oh, shit, you got my number, man.
So yeah, I can't wait to hit you, man. Connect. We can definitely.
Dude, like I said, I work Mondays.
This is nice.
Hopefully,
I can just get in some pics and whatnot. That's look good. Lil Rev. I know them late night run. Oh, McLaren. Them late night runs got you hype. Them late night runs got you like, where the money at? Oh my gosh, bro. This shit is crazy. We outside, man. Oh, okay. That shit is crazy. Oh, it's a big you takeover tonight, baby. Just made it to the last spot of the night. A little pull up and chill, nothing too crazy, but yeah, man, wild ride, bro, wild ride, flames and all type of. That don't say where. It's fast, bro, so it's cool. It's fast, it's cool. Okay, Tesla, let me hear something. Ain't hosted in a while, so you know what I mean. I got a whole bunch of cars out in this motherfucker. Joe feel me though, because AJ said it, so yeah. But you know, it's a pretty good turnout. It ain't a lot of cars though, but everybody that's here, it's a lot of fast cars. As light as it is, it's heavy out here, man. And a 1,000 horsepower Tesla. Another Z pulling up. That's Van Dam. I know it ain't the bar, damn it. I lied. It ain't the bar. It's not the bar. We outside. Now we can go fishing. Yeah. Cody, you right, bro. I'm gonna put more stuff together, bro. You right. I'm gonna put more stuff together, but we got more shit in the works coming, man. A lot of big things coming. We're just gonna stay patient, stay humble, and we're gonna keep getting to it, man. Other than that, bro, we good, man.